Hello students, in this video I'm going to explain chapter 2 lesson 4 factoring by a common factor. Okay, in this case we have the first thing among the numbers we're going to find GCF. Okay, you know GCF, it's greatest common factor. For example, between 12, 18 and 24 the GCF is 6. And the second one, if you don't have GCF or sometimes you have both of them, you have a common parenthesis. Always use the least power as a common. Okay, for example, we have x power 3, x power 9, x power 2. The smallest one is x power 2, so x power 2 is a common. Okay, sometimes you have sign too, so you have GCF and common variable and common sign. Okay, the third step, after you have found the common factor, then divided the given expression by the common factors. Okay, what that means? For example, case 1, factorized by a common factor. Here we have between 12x and 8. Is there any x next to 8? No, there is no x, so we can't say x is a common. But what about the numbers between 12 and 8? GCF is what? GCF is 4. Now we'll say 4. 4. Okay, 12 divided by 4 is 3. X divided, there is no x, so we just gonna write x as it is, plus 8 divided by 4, it's 2. That's the answer. The other one, between 15 and 25, it's 5 GCF. Okay, so 15 divided by 5, it's 3x power 3 minus 25 divided by 5, it is 5. The other one, here I have, between 36, 18 and 3, GCF is 3. Okay, 36 divided by 3, it is 12y power 2 plus 18 divided by 3, it is 6y minus 3 divided by 3, which is equals to 1. Okay, sometimes you have, you have a common sign too. For example, negative 12x minus 8x. Okay, so here we have a common sign. Between 12 and 8, I have 4. Then between x and x power 2, I have x. Okay, negative divided by negative, it will be positive. 12 divided by 4, which is equals to 3. X divided by x, it's x power 0, so it's equals to 1. 8 divided by 4, we have negative divided by negative, it will be positive. 8x power 2 divided by 4x, it will be 8 divided by 4, 2x remain. Okay, in this example, I have a negative 4 t power 2 plus t power 3 minus 3 t power 2. Can I say negative is a common? No. So what about the numbers? We don't have it. Between 4, 1 and 3, it's 1. And it doesn't matter if it is 1. So you get the same thing. Now, what about t power 2, t power 3, and t power 2? So the common variable is t power 2. Okay, let's divide. Negative 4 divided 4 t power 2 divided by t power 2, negative 4 remain. Okay, plus t power 3 divided by t power 2, only t remain, minus 3 t power 2 divided by t power 2, which is only 3. T power 2 and t power 2, they equals to t 2 minus 2, which is equals to 0, so only 3 remain. In this example, between negative 15y power 2 and 7y, what's the common? Is there any common numbers? No. GCF is no. So what about the common variable? Yes, it's y. Choose the smallest y. Negative 5 divided by y power, so it is only negative 15y remain plus 7y divided by y and y, they cancelled each other, only 7 remain. This is about the first case. The second case, I have common parentheses, okay? As you can see in plus, we have x plus 2. What's remain here? 7. You can't write plus and minus here, pay attention. 7 plus, what about here? 9x. Okay? In plus, it doesn't matter if the variable, if the inside the parentheses are opposite. For example, x plus 4 is equals to 4 plus x, okay? In plus. Let's see, what's the common parenthesis? It is x plus 4. What's left here? 9x minus 5. In minus, here you, as you can see, you have the same parenthesis. So y minus 4 is a common parenthesis. What's left here? 5x power 2y minus 2xy. Okay? But sometimes the parentheses are opposite. In minus, x minus 3 and 3 minus x. They are not the same. How can I solve it? How can I factorize it? Write the first parenthesis as it is and change the sign to the second parenthesis. For example, here you have x minus 3. Here you have 3 minus x. Okay, so we will say the first term as it is, x minus 3. Change this one. If it's positive, change it to negative. If it's negative, change it to positive. So it's positive. We're going to change it to negative 3y. Then flip inside the parenthesis. X minus 3. Now you have the same parenthesis or no? Yes, which is equals to x minus 3. What's left here? 2 minus 3y. Another example. 2x minus 1, 1 minus 2x. So they are not the same. If it's plus, we don't have any problem because we have commutative property in plus, but we don't have this property in minus. So just rewrite the first term as it is. Change this one to positive 5 and flip inside the parenthesis. Okay? 2x minus 1. Now you have the same parenthesis or no? Which is 2x minus 1. What's left here? 9x. Sorry. Plus, what about here? 5. If there is nothing here, so we're going to write 1. Pay attention. Thank you for watching. The last case, case 4, sorry. Okay. If you have 4 terms in chapter 2, lesson 4, factoring by a common factor. Okay. If you have 4 terms like this. So how you can find it? Okay, sometimes GCF of the term does not appear directly. You may be able to factor the algebra expression by grouping. Okay, what's the meaning by grouping? For example, we're gonna say, okay, the first one and the second one, we're gonna put it inside the parenthesis. Third one with the fourth one, we're gonna put it inside the other parenthesis. Now solve it. Go back to the case 1. Is there any GCF in this parenthesis? Yes, we have 2. As x, we have x power 2 as a common variable. So 2x power 3 divided by x power 2, only x remain, minus 8x power 2 divided by 2x power 2 is equals to what? 8 divided by 2, 4. Only 4 plus. For the other parenthesis, you have a different GCF. 3 and 12, we have 3. Can we say x is a common? No, because there is no x next to 12. Pay attention. So 3x divided by 3, only x remain, minus 12 divided by 3, which is equals to 4. Now you have the same parenthesis. It's case 2. Yes. So in this case, you have to solve it by the first case and the second case. Okay. You have same parenthesis, x minus 4. What's left here? 2x power 2 plus 3. In this example, we have 12a power 3 minus 9a power 2. We're going to put it inside the same parenthesis and this one in the other parenthesis. Between 12 and 9, what I have 3. Between a power 2 and a, I have a power 2. So 12a power 3 divided by 3a power 2, 12 divided by 3 equals to 4a minus 9 divided by 3, it's 3. A power 2 is equals to 1. So plus For the other one, between 20 and 15, we have 5. Okay, 20 divided by 5, it's 4a minus 15 divided by 5 equals to 3. Now you have the same parenthesis? Yes. So it's a common parenthesis. It will be 4a minus 3. What's left here? 3a power 2 plus 5. Okay. In this example, I have 3x power 3 minus 15x power 2 plus 10 minus 2x. Just solve it by grouping. The first one and the second one inside one parenthesis, and the third one and the last one inside the other parenthesis. Okay? Let's solve it. Between 3 and 15, what I have 3. Between x power 3, x power 2, I have x power 2. So 3x power 3 divided by 3x power 2, only x remain, minus 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. Okay? For the second one, between 10 and 2, okay, what I have 2. 10 divided by 2, 5. 2x divided by 2 minus x, so only x remain. Now, as you can see here, we have the same parenthesis. Okay? No. So how you can make it as the same parenthesis? Just rewrite the first term as it is. X minus 5. Change this one to negative. Then flip inside the parenthesis. X minus 5. Now you have the same parenthesis or no? Yes. Which is x minus 5. What's left here? 3x power 2 minus 2. Okay? In this example, I have 2a. This is 2, okay? 2a power 3 minus 2a power 2 plus 3 minus 3a. Okay, you have to solve it. Just put them inside the parenthesis. Between 2a power 3 minus 2a power 2, we have 2a power 2 as a common. So 2a power 3 divided by 2a power 2, only a ones remain, minus 2a power 2 divided by 2a power 2, which is equals to 1, plus, what do we have between 3 and 3? I have 3. 3 divided by 3, 1, minus 3a divided by 3, a remain. Okay, they are the same? No, it's a minus 1, but here we have 1 minus a. So, just rewrite the first term as it is, a minus 1. Change this one to negative 3. Okay, a minus 1. Flip it. Now you have the same parenthesis. Yes, a minus 1. The other one, I have 2a power 2 minus 3. Okay. In this example, let's solve it. Okay. Then, between 6 and 9, I have 3. Between b power 2, b power 3, I have b power 2. So 6 divided by 3, 2, b remain. Minus 9 divided by 3, 3. b power 2 divided by b power 2 is equals to 1. Minus, between 12 and 8, I have 4. 12 divided by 4, 3. Plus 8 divided by 4, 2b. As you can see, here I have, okay, minus, and here I have plus. If the question is like this, try to solve it by another way. How? Okay, order the parentheses, order the powers. Sorry, it's very important. Order the powers, okay? 6b power 3 minus 9b power 2. This one is power 1, so move it to here, and this one, move it to the last one. Plus 8b minus 12, okay? Now, solve it, okay? Between 6 and 9, as I told you, you have 3, b power 2. 6 divided by 3, 2b remain, minus 9b power 2 divided by 3 is equals to 3, plus, between a and 12, what you have? I have 4. 8b divided by 4, it's 2b, minus 12 divided by 4, which is equals to 3. Now you have the same parenthesis? Yes. So 2b minus 3 is a common parenthesis. What's left here? 3b power 2 plus, what about here? 4. So you have to solve it. Then when you get one of them minus and the other one was plus, you have to think by another way. You can multiply it by -1, and sometimes you can just combine the parentheses and write positive here. But the easiest way is to order the powers, okay? Then you can solve it, but you have to try to solve it. If you can't do it, then you have to use it this way. Thank you for watching.